This video content is not intended for children.
And this is Alex from Lebanon, a nice largemouth there doing the selfie thing on Old Hickory Lake.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. We're going to head down this path, walk around in the creek, and see if we can catch any fish. All right. Here we are. Let's see if I can find a fish. So I'm seeing some shiners or some minnows and stuff down here, which is cool. I got a real simple rig right now, a pinch-on sinker and a hook, and that's it. What shall we try first? I got some crappie nibbles. I got some gulp alive minnows. And I've got some impulse mayfly. We'll start out with the mayfly. We'll see if we can get a bite on this. Alright, let's see if these shiners or chubs or whatever they are will go for this little mayfly. Fish. Alright, first fish of the day. Got him on that mayfly. It's a little green sunfish. Creek green sunfish. Ah, he got away. There he goes. Well, first catch jumped right out of my hands. Well, not much going on with this little guy. We're going to take this off and try something else. We're going to change it up to a crappie nibble. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if these shiners or chubs or whatever these are will go for the crappie nibble. Fish. There we go. Got a little creek fish here. Looks like a shiner. Maybe a chub, but let's see if we can get a better look at it. Pretty sure that's a shiner. Good looking shiner here though. Let's let him go. Alright, second fish of the day. Small shiner on a crappie nibble.
I'm Elston Perez with Chunky Cats Fishing, and right now you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic. Woo!
We're gonna walk in the water. This is how you stay cool on a hot day. I got my polarized glasses on today so I can kind of see into the water. Switching off of crappie nibble to gulp minnow. Let me get one out here. Fresh jar of gulp minnows. So far I'm not seeing a whole lot of fish down here. A few small schools of shiners and stuff, but that's about it. I'm hoping to see some bass. There we go. Gulp minnow. Let's see what this can do. Fish. There we go. What's this? Hey, is this a pumpkin seed sunfish or a long-eared sunfish? Let's see. Give me that gulp minnow back. Damn it, jumped out of my hands. These fish are a lot more squirmy than the fish at my lake. But anyway, pretty sure that was a long-eared sunfish. Pretty cool. Now I know why Leo uses the clear tank. It's easier to see the fish. I'm over here trying to hold him in my hand. Not working out well today. That's alright though. Hopefully I can get a few more. Fish. Come on. Got him this time. No. Trying to get away just like all the rest. These are so squirmy in here. I just want to get a good look at you. Yeah, another shiner here. Good looking fish. Slimy little guy. Doing a little better now that I got the gulp minnow on. Let's see if I can get another one. Snagged. Thought I had a bite. I'm snagged on the bottom somewhere. There we go, got it free. Fish. Holy cow. Super tiny bluegill. Look at that bluegill. Got him on a gulp minnow in a creek. Just a little guy.
Realistic fishing. Thank you, man. Love the channel, by the way.
I like the look of that shady tree over there. Fish. Just a little guy. Got another green sunfish here. There he is. Little green sunfish. There he goes. Fish. I think. Yep, here we go. Hey, is this a chub? We got a chub. All right, little chubber. Let me get a look at you. Yeah, see him? Colored more like a bass. All right, chub. So far that's 4 species, I think, right? Green sunfish, bluegill, shiner, chub. Fish. Right away. Another little tiny, tiny fish. Another green sunfish, I think. Maybe some kind of hybrid. Fish? All right, fish on. Another sunfish. What is this, a red ear or a long ear? Yeah, might be a red ear or a long ear. Maybe even a pumpkin seed. It's kind of hard to tell when it's this young.
This is Fishing Grubs and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
We're gonna start working our way back. So yeah, the deepest part of this creek that I have found so far is about 2 feet deep. I haven't seen any bass. I've been looking. Let's go try up there, maybe on the other side of the bridge. This looks like a good spot. I think I see a little bit of action down there. Fish on. Another sunfish. Looks like a green sunfish. Easy. Well, I've already caught plenty of sunfish, so we're going to keep making our way this way. Fish. Hope you got a look at him. I think he's a long-eared sunfish. My minnow's getting really torn up, but it's hanging in there. I'm still catching fish on it. I don't see any big fish. I can pretty much see all of the water too. All I see are bluegills and shiners and chubs. I don't even know if I saw one bass yet. Let's go up here to this pool, see if I can get just one more. Then I think we're gonna call it a day. Stole my bait. Can you believe it? Something stole my bait. All right, let's get a crappie nibble or something else on here. Let's see if I can get anything else on crappie nibble. Fish. There we go. What do we got here? Another green sunfish. Easy. They're all jumping out of my hands today. Here we go, green sunfish. Anybody else home over here in this pool? Fish on. Here we go. What do we got? Another green sunfish? Exactly. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I did get a bunch of fish. I got some shiners, a chub, some bluegills, and some sunfish. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.